We don't sell or ship our proprietary systems. You must have your vehicle in-house. At Rich's, you can pick your muffler and your tips before you buy. With all major brands in stock, Rich's has you covered. To further optimize your vehicle's performance, we also carry AFE, K&N, and Air Raid. Please make sure to follow us on all social media, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See it and hear it only at richesperformanceexhaust.com.